All right, good morning, everybody. All right, let's get started here. Let's start taking a look at a few things. All right, Dow right now looks like, all the indices are down. The mini Dow is down 268. All right, so let's take a look at a few things first. I want to take a look at gold this morning. And let's see what our gold is doing. Not seeing anything in the gold, but I am getting a buy here on natural gas. All right, so we're getting a buy. Getting a buy on natural gas. All right, buying natural gas. I'm gonna put a target up here at 25.85. All right, profit target 25.85. And if for some reason we need the reverse, it's going to be down here at 24.65. 24.65. All right, not seeing anything. Well, I'll tell you what, I do like to buy on the crude. If the crude can come up to... I like the crude at 79.45. We can come up to 79.45. Trigger me a buy on the crude oil. What's that? Not seeing anything gold. Nothing in silver. Nothing on the mini Russell. Nothing on the mini NASDAQ. Let's look at some of our stocks here. We already had a few trades this morning. SOXS was a really nice mover this morning. Alright, not seeing anything on the stocks. Let's get one more QID. Not seeing anything on QID. Staying out of SOXS for right now. I want to stay out of that. I do want to look at SPXS. That was a mover this morning. Not seeing anything on that yet. And particularly with this volume coming down, this is a 1 minute chart up here. This is a 1 minute Heikin-Ashi chart. Smooths it out a little bit. But with this pullback over here with this higher volume right here, I'm going to go ahead and stay out of that. All right, still on natural gas. Target 25.85 on natural gas. Crude I want to buy up here at the 79.45. I'm going to also put a little alert up there, remind me, 79.45. Alright, pretty quiet right now. Only thing we're in right now is we're long the natural gas. Alright, pretty quiet. Just have to wait, sit back and wait. Glenn, how you doing? You've had the last few days off. Nice to have you back. You've been having a pretty good week so far. Of course, today is Thursday. We always love Thursdays. Sundays and Thursdays. Sunday nights, like to trade Forex, and then Thursday, just usually everything's pretty hot on Thursday. So looking forward to the rest of the day here. So far we started off this morning, got a natural gas on, traded a little bit of SOXS. We're just kind of sitting back and waiting. So kind of a new layout here. Some of the stocks I'm watching, Just kind of watching over here. I did trade SOXS. Watching the trade SPXS and QID. This is my scanner over here. It's kind of a cool scanner. So anytime I get a new high, it's going to notify me of any stocks that are starting to make new highs. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for stocks that are starting to break out and make new highs. Then I'll implement my patterns with Einstein, and we'll get in and we'll get some targets. So SOXS is starting to move again. Let's look at SOXS.
QID. SPXS. SPXU.
Gonna buy a little bit more of this SOXX. I'm getting back in.
SPXS. QID. UVIX.
They bought it at 19.
SPXU.
Bought it 1989 on SOXS.
UVIX. SOXS. QID. SOXS.
SOXS making new highs. Still on SOXS. Still long natural gas. Looking to buy crude. All right, on this natural gas, I'm going to add on this natural gas. If we can come down a little bit lower here, let's take a look here. I like it to come down to at least say anywhere between 2505 and 25 even, 250. All right, so we're still on natural gas. Looking to buy that crude. We need the crude to come up to 79.45. Nothing on gold, nothing on the indices. Still on SOXS at 1989.
CB traded 8:28 a.m.
I'm getting ready to open up here in about 45 seconds. Dow's going to open up.
SPXU, SPXS, QID. UVIX. UVIBD.
All right, looking for a bounce here on SOXS.
UVIX. UVIX.
SPXS is starting to take off. SOXS coming back.
UVIX. UVIX.
UVIX starting to move.
ASPN. UVIX.
CDRO.
UVIX.
SOXX coming back up to 91, getting ready for a breakout here. Gonna add some here.
SOXS. LABD.
Target on SOXS right now is gonna be, let's see here.
SOXS.
It already hit the high of 20.
SPXU. SPXS. LABD. QID. ASPN.
Okay, one more possible target on SOXS.
SPXS.
Wow, that take me up to 2022.
ASPN. LABD. SPXU. UVIX. VXX. SPXS. QID. ASPN.
Going up to 2022.
ASPN.
BIO. B.
UVIX.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take profit out of SOXS. Let's look at our natural gas. All right, still long natural gas. This is a good area to add on to that gas. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more gas on here. Also getting a short on the gold.
VERU.
All right, sell on gold, buy natural gas. Once again, the reversal on natural gas is going to be 2466. 2466, that would set me up for an HF1 short or an HF2 buy.
CDRO.
Gold, we're in an HF2 short.
VERU.
Target on gold's going to bring me down to 1837. It's going to be my profit target.
VERU.
If I need the reverse on gold, it's going to be up here at 1846. That would set me up for an HF1 buy.
VERU.
If we come up to about 42, 43, I want to go ahead and add to the short gold. Crude I want to buy at 79.45.
AM.
VXX.
Okay, I'm looking at some of these active stocks here. Don't see anything there.
BIO. B.
VXX. No, I don't like VXX. Huh. Nothing on rig or IG. Alright, not seeing anything that I want to get into yet. Still short gold, long natural gas.
VERU.
Yeah, Glenn, I remember that. I know you have things going on tomorrow. That's no worries, buddy. I appreciate you, man.
VARU.
How's you doing any trading this week, Glenn?
A.
Glenn is the moderator
VARU.
in the live broadcast room on YouTube. Thank you, Glenn, for doing that. I appreciate you. If you have any questions regarding any of my strategies, feel free to ask. I'm going to put some more videos out there going into a little bit more about these levels that I project. I'm using a formula called Einstein. It wasn't developed by me. It was developed by a gentleman back in the 80s. Very successful day trader. And doesn't use Fibonacci numbers. It has nothing to do with Gann, any of those things. It's a unique formula. I'll go into that a little bit more in the video.
VARU.
And the patterns are something I developed back in the 80s as well. And these patterns I've continued to use and everything. So as you can see, you could use them in stocks, use them in commodities, use them in Forex.
VARU.
I don't have anything on the indices right now, so I don't see anything on the indices. Don't see anything on Forex or the currencies.
VARU.
Would have liked to jump in the VERU, but it's too late now, so no opportunities there. SOXS, we're done with that. SPXS, done with that. Gonna watch QID. Keep an eye on INZY. Keep an eye on AMAN. Nothing on GNS. May heat up later in the day, but right now I'm going to stay away from GNS. BITO's had a really nice running in this morning, but I want to stay. I'm gonna stay away from that one. QID may have some potential a little bit later. RIG. Does look like RIG does want to go up higher. And I like the fact that we're volume's coming down as we're starting to come down here. See these spikes here, higher volume coming down lower. Usually indicates probably going to get another pop to the upside. I'm going to keep an eye on RIG. I do like that.
LQDA. VXX. UVIX.
Okay, I want to buy UVIX. I do like that. I'm going to put on a small position on UVIX. I'm only going to put 200 shares on it. UVIX. First target 1850. Which we no, take that back.
LQDA.
1860 first target on this.
UVIX.
We've already hit 1860. Okay, UVIX, we are still in. Still riding UVIX. Got in at 1854. 1854. Right, 1860.
LQDA.
All right, so looking for 60, and then that's going to take us up to 70. Take us up to 70.
DUST.
All right, he hit 60. Let's see if we can hit 70. Hold on the UVIX. I'm in at 1854. If we come down to 1840, I'm out of there. Hit 40. I'm going to go ahead and exit on this UVIX. All right, lost $30 on that. Only had 200 contracts on. Out of UVIX. LQDA.
DUST.
Dust was a mover yesterday. DUST, that was definitely a mover yesterday. Let's look at Dust. Yeah, too late to get into Dust. LQDA.
DUST.
Somewhere around 1874, 1875, I could see LQDA.
UVIX. VXX. VXX, UVIX, VIXY.
All right, so gold hit our target, getting out of gold short. And we are still long natural gas. At the add-on area here on this natural gas, I'm going to go ahead and add some more longs on natural gas. Adding to my buy on natural gas once again. Stop's going to be 24.66, 25.85 target.
UVIX,
UVIX is moving up to that 70 target. Didn't want to hold the dough during that pullback. Wanted to get out. It was still the right decision to get out of UVIX. But it looks like it's still on its way to 70. Definitely out of SLXS. Haven't traded SPXS. Gonna watch that today. Also gonna be watching SPXU.
VXX, UVIX, VIXY.
UVIX blew through 70 and on its way up.
VXX, VXX.
All right, so we're coming up to the top of the hour once again. I want to thank everybody for joining us this morning.
VIXY, VXX.
Please be sure that you, if you like these videos, please be sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. That lets me know that you want me to continue to do this morning show. We're going to be adding more stocks, as you can see. So we'll continue to watch some of our commodities, the indices, the gold, natural gas. We'll watch a little bit of currencies, but probably more in the morning going to be watching the stocks. Now that we're at the top of the hour, we're moving to our live room, and we're going to add in more of the forex, start watching some of these currencies. All right, so that's going to wrap it up once again. YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com for questions. And that's going to be it. Everybody have a good day. Remember, Thursdays are really hot, so definitely if you trade one day of the week, Thursdays is probably going to be the day to do it. All right, everybody have a good day, and hopefully we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning.
VKT.